How to fix Spotify devices not showing. In this situation, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that all of the devices that is currently connected are on the same Wi-Fi network. If that is not the case, then you won't be able to play songs or play music on the other device that you're trying to do. Also, make sure that you enable the device visibility inside of your Spotify account. So what you can do is just head over to the settings option and head over to apps and devices. Scroll down and right here you'll see the option which says local device visibility. Make sure that this option is enabled, and once you make sure these two options, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, what you'll also need to ensure is that you disable any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one. Also, what you can do is look for any new updates available, search for Spotify on the Play Store or the App Store, and make sure that you have the latest version. Once you ensure all of these, you should be able to fix the Spotify device not showing. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.